Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions. Make sure you are the meeting organizer, channel owner, or the recording was shared with you. Once done, open Teams on desktop or web and go straight to Calendar to find the meeting entry. If the meeting was in a channel, navigate to that channel's Posts tab, otherwise open the meeting chat. This locates where Teams posts recording notifications, so you can access the actual file link and metadata without guessing. You'll follow the recording link in chat or channel. Teams redirects to OneDrive for personal meetings or SharePoint for channel meetings. Once there, navigate to the recordings folder in OneDrive or the team site's documents library in SharePoint. Use the search box and filters for date range, file type, or meeting title to locate the MP4 quickly. Make sure to check the file owner and sharing permissions so you understand why you can now download the MP4 or stream it directly. Choose download or share to set view or edit permissions for others. If you can't find the recording, verify whether your organization used Microsoft Stream Legacy or has retention policies that auto-delete recordings. Ask the meeting organizer to confirm. If the file is missing or access is denied, escalate to IT so they can check audit logs, retention settings, and recover deleted content. A common fix is restoring from recycle bin within one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.